Today we're making a springtime sugar scrub, starting with 1/3 cup of coconut oil and 1 cup of sugar. You're going to mix that up completely. And then we'll add our essential oils. I did 10 drops of lemon, 10 drops of lavender, and 5 drops of rosemary. And if you want to get really fancy, you can add some either food coloring or soap colorant. I used red and blue to make a lavender color. With the coloring, I always start sparingly, and if I need to add more when I'm mixing, because you can always add, you just can't take away. Now you mix it up. Once you have it completely mixed, you're going to add it to your jar. Whatever you're going to store it in, just make sure that it is airtight, otherwise your sugar scrub will dry out. And you're finished.